Hey, bro, did you study for the university exam tomorrow? I heard it's going to be super hard. We needed to study a lot for that exam. Um, to be honest, no, I didn't study, not even one page. Wait, what? Why not? Are you okay? Did something happen? Well, yes, something happened, but it's not serious. It's just, I feel embarrassed to say it. That's all. Embarrassed? Come on, man. We've been friends for years. You can tell me anything. Okay, I didn't study because I was on my phone the whole time. I kept telling myself, in a few minutes, I'll start studying. But that moment never came. Every time I looked at the time, it was later and later, and I was still watching my phone. That happened. Oh man, I've been there too. But like, the whole day? Yes, literally the whole day. I sat with my books in front of me and my phone next to me. Then I saw a video that looked funny, so I watched it. After that, another one started automatically. Then I saw some posts from my friends. Parties, food, gym selfies, all that stuff. Then I saw news about a famous singer and started reading comments. Then I remembered a game I was playing and I said, let me pass this level real quick. And even when I opened a video about psychology, our university major, I told myself, well, at least it's related to my career. But still, I didn't study. I don't know what happened to me. Wow, that's exactly how technology addiction works. You feel like you're doing something useful, but in the end, you're just losing time. Yes, that's what I hate. I wasn't even doing anything bad. I wasn't partying or going out. I was just sitting in my room, looking at my screen for hours. And now I feel tired, lazy, and even a little angry with myself. Bro, I totally understand. It happened to me last semester. I had the same problem. I was always on my phone. I couldn't stop scrolling. Social media, videos, news, games, random websites. I was busy all day, but I wasn't doing anything important. I didn't feel happy. I just felt empty. Yes, that's the word. empty. Yes, it's like you don't even know why you're looking at the phone. You just keep doing it. Exactly. It's a kind of addiction. People don't talk about it much, but it's real. Your brain gets used to fast information. Every video, every like, every new comment gives your brain a small reward, a little shot of dopamine. Dopamine, I don't understand. Like a bad thing? Well, it's a chemical in your brain that makes you feel good. For example, the phone gives you small hits of dopamine all the time. That's why it feels good to check it. But after a while, your brain wants more and more of it. So, what do? Well, you keep checking and checking, and your brain becomes addicted, just like with sugar or junk food or even drugs. Wow, I didn't know that. That sounds really scary. It is. And the worst part is that we don't even notice. We think we're just relaxing or learning something. But in reality, we are training our brain to lose focus. That's why it's so hard to read a book now or to study or even to have a long conversation. Our attention becomes very short. Yes, that's happening to me. When I open a book, I feel bored after 2 pages. I want to check my phone again. It's like my brain is saying, where is the fun stuff? Exactly. And if we don't stop it now, it gets worse. It can affect your memory, your concentration, your sleep, even your mood. Believe me, some people start to feel sad or depressed because they compare their life to others online, or they feel they are wasting time, but they can't stop. I feel all of that. I feel sleepy all day. Even if I sleep 8 hours, I feel like my brain is tired. And sometimes I feel like I'm not good enough because I see people doing amazing things online. But I know it's not real life. You're right. Most of what we see online is fake or exaggerated, but our brain doesn't know that. But listen, there's good news too. We can change this. When I was going through this problem, my parents gave me some good advice. At first, I didn't want to listen, but then I tried their ideas, and they actually helped. So, I'll tell you what they told me. Please do. I need help, man. I need to change this situation now. Okay, first, they told me to create a daily plan, a real schedule with time blocks. During the study time, I put my phone far away, like in another room, or I give it to my sister and tell her, don't give this back to me until 10. It works. Your brain starts to understand. Now is study time. Phone comes later. It's like training your mind. Oh, now the second thing I did, I turned off almost all notifications. No vibration, no sound. If something is urgent, people can call me. Everything else can wait. The notifications are a problem. Even when I don't care about them, I still check. Right? And the third thing, I started using a focus timer app. There are many. You choose what apps to block and for how long, so I can't open YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or games during my study time. Wow, that would help me a lot because even when I don't want to open those apps, I do it without thinking. I can't stop doing that. Seriously. Exactly. These small changes help me feel more free, not from my phone, but from the need to check it every 5 minutes. And now I still use my phone, but I use it after I finish my real tasks. And I enjoy it more. I feel like I earned it. That sounds so healthy, man. I think I need to try all of that because the way I'm living now, it's not good. I don't feel happy anymore. I feel like a zombie sometimes, alive, but not really living. You'll see the difference in a few days. More focus, better sleep, more peace in your mind. And guess what? You'll feel proud of yourself. Let's go study now. Even if it's just for 1 hour, it's better than nothing. Let's do it. And this time, my phone stays in my backpack. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support.